So that's what we started doing. So the first year looked like a lot of undoing things and a lot of healing and building trust and saying, I know that this is how you used to be, but I'm going to trust that you're not making those decisions. I also stopped bartending, which was helpful because, that environment is just kind of toxic, especially when you're married. So I got out of that. And this kind of brings into this is during that first year, I was engaging in pornography. And I just remember,
Now, was this just in that first year, or had you been?
yeah, it actually started like a little bit before marriage.